Hello and welcome to Seamless Opportunities. My name is Donald Page and today I'd like to talk to you about Seamless Opportunities Foundation. So here we have a contact, Chris Burns at St Giles Primary School. We've given him a default discount for when he does his orders. Let's create a new opportunity for him and give it a name and then choose your process, your sales process and the stage with which you are in. Save it and then go to the Products and Services tab and create or amend a quote, new quote. This is Seamless Opportunities. It gives you a quote number. There's a reference field you can use. There are date and time stamps as well. Because we've only got one contact, that's Chris Byrne there. Add some notes. You can add a notes. Then we come to iteration. I'll come back to that shortly, but that's about revisions. You can quote in any currency you wish. So let's have a look. Now these are products that we have listed within the Seamless Opportunities product table. But before we add a product, let's create a section for our quote. So we're going to have the infant classroom. There it is. Now we can add our products. And I'm just going to scroll down, although you can search, and there's lots of ways of searching for your products. So we've added something, and let's add a second item, and you'll notice that there's a 15.5% discount applied. Let's do a quantity. Now we can change the sales price or the discount on the fly as we go. Double click on the product and you can see product information, including the image of the product. You can clone or do a special, and that is just for this quotation. Let's create a different section now. And now what we'll do, we had the infant class, we're going to go for a primary for year 1 of the primary class. There's my section. And now for this time, I'm actually going to clone a product. So I'm going to choose a half moon table in blue. And when I double click on it, you can see that all the fields are now editable. So it allows you to customize it. Clicking on the ellipsis button allows me to choose from our other colors that we've got. You can change the color, the list price as well if you wanted to, but we'll keep it the same. So now I can then say, okay, do I want to offer a discount on this cloned product, which doesn't have the 15.5% applied automatically, or you can change the sales price as well. So we've updated to ACT, and you can see now we've got data showing in fields that allow us to do further analysis on cost and margin against net. So here we go. We now want to go back in. We're on our first iteration. You can see the grayed out buttons, and when I press the edit quote button, we now come up with the next iteration. We can make changes to our quantities, costs, etc. We can add more products, we can rearrange them and set them as we want. I've set here a discount of 5% on this, and then spotted that these are actually sold in sets of 4, so we don't want too many, do we? You'll notice that each of the sections have their own subtotals, and then the total values down at the bottom here. So let's update to ACT again, and you'll see that we're now showing the second iteration for that quote number. Okay, so let's print this out or merge it out. Now you'll notice there's only one person linked to this opportunity. If there was more than one, you could select who you wanted to merge out to. You can merge from your own range of templates, either Word or Excel. The location that the document is automatically saved to is definable, and we use the document name, both of which are changeable. In this case, I'm going to navigate further down in the client's folder to the quotations folder of St Giles, and I'm going to save it just with that opportunity name. I can also, if I so wish, choose a different format, and it will remember what format we last used, so for example a PDF. The mail merge will take place, and it will merge fields from the contact record and the company record if the contact's linked to a company, as well as the opportunity fields and Seamless Opportunities itself. So here you can see an output document, and each section is in its own tables, including the subtotals that we've got for each section. And then you can see down the bottom there the grand total and who it's been merged by with my lovely face. So not only has it merged it and saved it, what it's also done is in the Documents tab, it has then saved a link to that document in the opportunity, and also if I go to the Documents tab of the contact record, it's also saved there. If this is a remote database, then it will save it fully as an attachment, which is useful because then it can synchronize back to the main database. This is Seamless Opportunities Foundation. Thank you for watching. Further information can be found on our website.